Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the best RV toilet wand blaster on the market, the Camco Camper RV Holding Tank Swivel Stick Rinser. This innovative tool promises to revolutionize how you maintain your RV's sanitation system. Designed by Camco, a trusted name in RV accessories, this swivel stick rinser offers powerful cleaning with its unique rotary action. It's built to tackle the toughest waste deposits in your RV's black water tank, ensuring it's not just clean but also odor-free.
What sets this apart is its 34 inches of flexible reach.
Perfect for those hard-to-access areas in your RV tanks, it gives you superior control and thorough cleaning power.
Reaching even offset basement tanks effortlessly. The ergonomic design includes an easy grip handle for comfortable use, especially in tight spaces. Plus, with a 1/4 turn shutoff valve, you control the water flow precisely, making the cleaning process efficient and hassle-free.
Made from durable materials, including brass for critical moving parts, this rinser is built to last. Its dimensions 27.2 by 5.1 x 1.91 inches ensure it's compact yet effective, fitting seamlessly into your RV maintenance kit. Using the swivel stick rinser is straightforward. Simply attach it to a standard garden hose using the 3/4 female connection. The setup requires no complicated assembly, allowing you to start cleaning immediately. If you're wondering why you should choose the Camco swivel stick, it's not just about its superior cleaning action. It's about reliability and ease of use, ensuring your RV sanitation system remains in top condition throughout your journeys. In conclusion, the Camco Camper RV Holding Tank Swivel Stick Rinser is a game-changer for RV owners who prioritize cleanliness and efficiency. With its powerful features and durable construction, it's clear why this is the best RV toilet wand blaster available. Thanks for watching.
If you found this review helpful,
don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell icon for more reviews on products that enhance your RV adventures.
Until next time, happy travels.